Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Coinbase weekly on settings. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find Coinbase app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.